day for the Bitcoin and Ethereum and cryptocurrency prices. Dear ladies and gentlemen, the markets are going crazy and we've been hitting every single target we've been predicting throughout the last few days. Now the most important question is, what are the next targets? What are the next potentially profitable trades we can take right now on Bitcoin, Ethereum and certain cryptocurrencies? Let's talk about that. I actually went here all the way with my e-scooter to enjoy the beautiful sunset of Dubai and talk with you about all of these things which I just mentioned here in the beginning. And I don't know if you're following me over on X, but just 5 hours ago I said Bitcoin is about to explode. What you can see is pretty much exactly 5 hours later we hit this price target exactly. And now the question is, what is likely to happen next? Well, let's talk about that. I am posting, by the way, also here this exclusive content over on Levex, where I am posting this in absolute real time. I'm posting my trades and everything, including price targets. So of course, if you're interested in that, pin comment, second link, register completely for free and see my exclusive content if you press follow MMCrypto on that platform. So now let's talk about Bitcoin, let's talk about crypto, let's talk about everything here. What you can see is my Solana trade, $650,000 in a profit. ENA trade, $260,000 in a profit. Why are these birds so loud? Like, in any other situation, I would love that, but what the heck is happening here? Please, just for a second, guys. Okay, thank you. They stopped now. I don't know if you heard that, but I just asked them and they stopped. Extremely kind. Thank you. All right. Tron, $500,000 in a profit. The Ethereum trade, yesterday it was $500,000 in profit. Now 1.5 million. What the heck is going on? The smaller Bitcoin, the bigger Bitcoin trade is right now $16.5 million in a profit. That is another 1.5 higher than yesterday, and $13.3 million in realized profits already. The Bitcoin trade, $280,000 in a profit, and XRP round about $2 million in a profit. So we are actually making bank right now, and the most important question is, what is next? And just like yesterday, I would not really focus too much on Bitcoin here when I want to estimate what's next. I mean, yes, we hit the price target here. That was very, very beautiful. Many people made profits on the short-term trade, but to estimate what is more likely to happen in the next few days and weeks, we will have to look at Ethereum. Just a quick overview I wanted to give you here on Bitcoin, because what you can see is that we are riding the daily EMA ribbon here, and that is exactly what we are usually seeing. Once we are breaking here above, we are riding it until we eventually break below. So we are still on top of it, we are still riding it. It is upward sloping, so it doesn't look too bad, but this is by no means a confirmation for anything. But if we want to get a little bit more of an insight, we will have to go into Ethereum. And going into Ethereum, you can see that especially here on the weekly candles, we are getting that predicted breakout. Yes, and more importantly, we are basically about to hit the first target I mentioned earlier, which is the Fibonacci extension level, the 1.272, and this one is sitting at around about $4,800, the first profit-taking area. The next one is actually quite far away at $5,760. And dear ladies and gentlemen, if we are surpassing the 1.272 Fibonacci extension level and the next one at 1.618 comes into place, brace for impact if you are an altcoin bear. Brace for impact, because then this short window of opportunity will finally open, right? I mean, some altcoins are already pumping. I already mentioned, of course, some of my altcoin trades, but my full top 10 list is going to come very soon. I will publish it over on Levex, and I will publish it just afterwards also over here on YouTube. Link down below. And of course, here on the YouTube channel, if you don't want to miss it, you need to press subscribe, press the bell, and press on all. I will come back very, very soon. I make daily videos here, dear ladies and gentlemen, with the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.